In this video, I will show you how to fold a paper boat. Only rectangular paper, does not have to be construction paper. It can be any paper, but it has to be rectangular paper. Alright, thanks. Please fold it in. First, fold your paper in half, like this. Then fold it again in half, this. And make the crease. Unfold it, and then on the folded part, make 2 triangles as if you're making a paper plane on the folded side. Then fold the other triangle on the folded side too, up to the crease. And make the crease too. Then take one on the bottom and fold it up like this. Take the other one, flip it over and take the other one and fold it like this. Then look at the bottom and pull the sides apart. And then it should create a square. Then fold one side up to the triangle. Flip it over and do the exact same thing. And then look at the bottom again and unfold it and then pull the parts open, and then it should make a fortune cookie. Then open it up like a fortune cookie. You made a paper boat. There, see? Paper boat. You may have to do some fixes. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe.